What's the meaning of aluminum? Aluminum. 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 Aluminum.
Aluminum is a chemical element with the symbol Al and atomic number 13. It is a silvery white, soft, non-magnetic and ductile metal in the boron group. By mass, aluminum makes up about 8% of the Earth's crust. It is the third most abundant element after oxygen and silicon and the most abundant metal in the crust, though it is less common in the mantle below. Aluminum is remarkable for its low density and its ability to resist corrosion through the phenomenon of passivation.